Hello everyone, welcome to lecture series on multiple integral. In our last lecture we have seen that how to change order of integration. In this lecture let us see how it works in example. So first example is given over here, that is change the order of integration in the integral double integration, and the limit is this of function f of xy dy dx, and hence evaluate it. So first we are going to change this dy dx to dx dy and then evaluate it. Okay, so solution. First we are sketch the region. So x-axis, y-axis, origin 0, 0. First first we are integrating with respect to dy. So limit of this is y is equal to x square by 2 will imply that x square is equal to ay, and upper limit is y is equal to 2a minus x. So you can write it as x plus y is equal to 2a, and limit for x axis is x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a. So first we are putting x square is equal to ay. So suppose this is my point 2a. So here is 2a 0, and suppose here is 0 2a. So x square is equal to ay. Here is some a. Suppose this is my graph of x square is equal to a y. Next, x plus y is equal to 2a. So x square plus y is equal to 2a is suppose here. And this is my point. Here is suppose a 0 a and a 0. So this line is x is equal to a and x is equal to 0 is my y-axis. So our region is this shaded portion. In our this example, we are going to change dy dx to dx dy. So for that, first we are changing limit according to this integration. So double integration over function f of xy dx dy. First we are integrating with respect to dx. So here we are taking a small strip with along with x-axis. Suppose this is my small strip. Along with x-axis, and limit of this we have to derive is with respect to x. So when we are varying this strip along this direction vertical, so sorry, horizontal. So if whereas this strip along x-axis there are two subregions, this line is divided by these two regions. So first we are derive lower limit. So this to this, this is my curve, and which is described by x square is equal to ay. So if we are we can write it as y x is equal to square root of ay. So this 0 to up to here, 0 to up to here. So 0 to square root of ay plus this region 4. So here it 0 to here. So equation of this line is x plus y is equal to 2a. It will imply that x is equal to 2a minus y. So here 0 to 2a minus y function f of x y dx dy, and limit of y is 0 to here is a, in this portion 0 to a, 0 to a, and here a to 2a, to 2a. Suppose my f of xy is x into y. So this is the change of order of integration, and now we are evaluate it for taking f of xy is equal to x into y. So is equal to 0 to a integration with limit 0 to a, and here 0 to square root of ay xy dx dy plus a to 2a and 0 to 2a minus y xy dx dy. So first integrating this with respect to x. So is equal to integration or 0 to a, integrating with respect to x, y become constant. So integration of x is x square by 2, and limit is 0 to square root of ay dy plus integration over a to 2a, and integrating with respect to x. So I constant x square upon 2, and limit is 0 to 2a minus y and dy. So now integration is equal to integration over 0 to a y by 2 taking constant. If we are putting limit, that becomes a y dy plus a to 2a y by 2 and x square. So that become 2a minus y whole square dy. So is equal to here 0 to a and a y square by 2 dy plus integration over a to 2a y by 2, and if we are squaring, it becomes 4a square minus 4ay plus y square dy is equal to integrating this with respect to y. So a by 2 is constant, and integration of y square is y cube by 3, and limit is 0 to a plus integration over a to 2a multiply y by 2 to all the terms. It becomes 2a square y minus 2ay square plus y cube by 2 dy. Put limit, so a by 6 and y cube. So put y is equal to a, it becomes a cube into a will imply a raised to 4. When you are putting 0, term become 0 plus integrating these terms. So 2a square constant, integration of y is y square by 2, and limit is a to 2a minus 2a is constant, integration of y square is y cube by 3 plus 1 by 2. Take outside and integration of y cube is y raised to 4 by 4. Putting limit a to 2a. So is equal to a raised to 4 by 6 plus 2 to get cancelled. Here a square, put y is equal to 2a. So a square 4a square into a square, 4a square, 4a raised to 4. When you are putting y is equal to a, it become only a raised to 4 minus 2a and by 3. Here if we are putting y is equal to 2a, so into 8a cube minus put a, so a cube plus 1 by 8, put y is equal to 2a, so it becomes 16 a raised to 4 minus a raised to 4. Simplifying this, a raised to 4 by 6 plus 4 a raised to 4 minus a raised to 4 minus 16 a raised to 4 by 3 minus minus plus 2a raised to 4 by 3 plus 2 a raised to 4 minus a raised to 4 by 8. Simplifying this term, taking a raised to 4 common, so 1 by 6 plus 4 minus 1 minus 16 by 3 plus 2 by 3 plus 2 minus 1 by 3. So when you are solving this, it becomes 3 by 8 and this a raised to 4. So this is my answer.